Now, the big highlight for today, I am going to go into a Intern Showcase. These are an important source of not only ideas in the company, but we hire a lot of them ultimately. Ella, all right, so you had hands-on experience with your internship. What was the experience been like going to the office?
The experience going into the office has been amazing. Like myself and the other interns on the team, we come into the office almost every single day. We absolutely love coming in. I think one of the best things for us about coming in is definitely being able to network with other people in the Dublin office. Like from the beginning, we've kind of been challenged to reach out to other Autodeskers and to learn about the work that they do. And then in terms of kind of having a hands-on experience, we were also surprised at how much we've been given the chance to engage with customers, like as interns. In sales anyways, I get to speak to different businesses, different customers on a day-to-day basis about how they use Autodesk solutions. And then of course on top of all that, the facilities in the Dublin office are just incredible. There's always really cool events on as well. So like, for instance, we all know the Women's World Cup is on at the moment. There was an event on last week where we got to watch Ireland's first game. And even though I think the United States kind of have this one in the bag, it was still really good, like watching the match and just getting to connect with people at events in the office too. There's just been so many benefits, and it has definitely elevated my internship experience like 100%.
All right, so now it's your chance to ask a question.
So you started out in Autodesk as a partner manager, and now you're CEO of the entire company. What advice would you give to aspiring leaders who want to follow a career path as similar as yours?
So in terms of myth busting, so yeah, I came here as a partner manager. Let's be perfectly clear. My goal at that point is I wanted to move to California with the woman that later became my wife. And I took a job that was 2 notches down from what I was doing at a startup. But then of course, I got the partner management job. I took some of the skills I had from the startup and I started applying them to the job I was doing. And as a result, I was behaving in ways that were different than people were seeing other people in those roles behaving. And I got promoted fairly rapidly. I say that because I want you to realize that sometimes your goals might be personal goals that lead you down a career goal. And frankly, if I hadn't been so consumed with my future wife, I may not have ever joined Autodesk, and I may have missed a company that's become very important to my life. You just have to be flexible and adaptable and always have a goal, and then always find out where you're having an impact and where you're not. And don't keep pushing down a path where you're not having an impact.